Are ready?
You ready to help?
Help?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I want you to put the screw in there. One of them. This one. Can you go put it in? Put it in that top hole. Can you see the screws? Go ahead. Go put one in. You gotta turn it around. This one. This one. Keep going up. Okay. Good job. Now we do this, right? Okay. Oh, Dad's gonna use a drill, right? Okay. Got another one? Goes in the bottom hole. This one. You want to do that one? Okay, we can do that one. Hold on. I gotta get the drill. Watch out. Okay. This one. The middle hole. There's already a screw in that one. Let's do this one. Can you get it in this? I know you got one there. Next one. Can you do this one?
Yes.
Whoops. Here. It dropped. You try it again? There's the hole. Push it in.
Pushing it.
Okay.
No, Phil.
Hold on, Daddy's got to screw this one in, right? Okay.
I can.
Next one down below. Next hole, the lower one. Did you do it? There's one more screw. Okay. Watch out. Beep beep. And the hold on. Let's get the right screw. And it goes this screw. The silver one. I can have these.
No.
But that's not the screw. This one. Can you put this one in? This one's got to go here.
Here.
Thanks. Put those down. Can you put those down? Put them on the floor. Those are the old ones. And this one too. Okay, here it's the right one. Go ahead, put it in. Can you put that one in? The one in your hand? We gotta put that in there. Nope, not that one. The big one. Can you put the big... Yes! Right here, though. Okay, you need some help? Yeah, we just kind of screw it in there. Savannah, what is this? What's that?
This one.
It's a screw? Can I screw it in? With the drill? Ready?
Yes.
Sit.
Go.
All done. Good job.